Imagine you travel back in time 500 years and you can take with you one of these two sacks. The one sack contains $10 million American. The other sack contains gold coins, 100 grams with today's worth of 12,000 US dollars. Which one do you take back into the past? Well, if you're a normal, intelligent person, you would probably take the gold coins, which are worth only $12,000, because of course the dollar is a social construct that hadn't been invented back then. So it would be just paper, not worth all that much. Why? Well guys, like I said, paper money, fiat money, is a social construct, just like euros and liras and all other fiat money, while gold is more of a godly construct. God made it and put it on earth, in the waters, in the mountains, in the earth. The humans, basically, if they want it, they have to do a lot of work to dig it up. For some reason, Allah has programmed us in such a way that we find this yellow metal quite attractive and we do a lot for it. Isn't that interesting? And here's another interesting fact. Some paper money is worth much more than other people's paper money. For example, a factory worker in England can do much more with his earned paper money. For example, he can go travel to Turkey, but the factory worker in Turkey who, let's say, does the same work as the English guy, he can't just go to England and for a vacation, because the paper money of the Turkish guy, for some reason, is worth much less. So although they do the same work, one man's life is much richer in a way because his money can do much more. And why is that, guys? Well, I guess the simple solution is because paper money can be played with and fiddled with quite easily. The worth of paper money, the value of paper money can be played with. The amount of paper money and digital money nowadays can be expanded quite easily, and it can also be contracted quite easily. We can go from a €3 pizza suddenly to a €10 pizza. Your wages can go from 2K a month to 2.01K a month. See how that goes? So yeah, guys. But the amount of gold and silver in circulation is quite limited, because God kind of limited it by putting it on this earth scarcely. In conclusion, guys, here's a fun fact for you. Which was the last country or organization which tried to introduce a gold, silver and copper